Hi there everyone, it's Jack once again and welcome back to my channel. I am here again at the Berkeley Fun Airport to take Christian to his flying lessons. I shared with you guys the discovery flight that he did when he was 15 years old. There had been delays signing him up for the flying lessons because of COVID, but after a few months of holding off, we just decided to go ahead and sign him up. And now he is in the middle of getting the private pilot license. He is actually now preparing to fly solo probably next week. When he started his flight lessons, probably after a couple of flights, I went with him. And actually, my mom was with me too. Laging kasama yung Lola. I will share with you guys that flight. I am just a proud mom. Mother! Pakinig ka? Yes. Practice niyo pa. Felt nervous about that flight. It's more on excitement for me. But his Lola got really nervous. Hindi nakapag-relax during the flight. But I think in the end, she enjoyed it anyway. So guys, let's go ahead and watch the flight.
Ay, maanoy kita, pagini kita largaday. Ready ka na? Paing na-nervous si Lola, mahal.
I don't want to wear it because it's fog.
Bakit?
Look for fog.
Huh?
Look for fog.
you guys enjoyed the video, and comment down below how you felt about it. And I'm gonna try and take you all along on this journey, but I can't promise. I'm gonna try because he doesn't even want to be on the picture or in the video, but I'll do my best. And this is it for now. Of course, don't forget to subscribe, share, and like. I'll see you again.